Yoga या yoga is all about balance. Facial yoga is all about correcting an imbalance of your face. With this, I, Vibhuti Arora, your face yoga practitioner, taking lead on correcting facial asymmetry. आप कभी कभी देखते हैं कि अपना एक आईब्रो नीचे ढलक रहा है या हमारी आईलिड ड्रूपी हो गई है. इसी को थोड़ा सा एक्सटेंड करें. Many a times a lot of people see that one side of the face becomes flat, muscles become weaker, or in extreme cases they see facial spasms or facial paralysis. Let's learn some easy exercises that you can do not only for facial imbalance strengthening and correction, but can also help those around you suffering with muscle twitching, facial paralysis or facial spasms. My first exercise is to correct imbalanced eyebrows. Let's assume मेरा लेफ्ट आईब्रो स्ट्रॉन्ग है लेकिन मेरा राइट आईब्रो ड्रूप होने लगा है. इसके लिए मेरी डांसिंग आईब्रो एक्सरसाइज कीजिए. अपनी इंडेक्स फिंगर को लीजिए और अपनी मिडिल फिंगर को अपने इंडेक्स फिंगर के ऊपर रख के अपने वीक आईब्रो पे कोरोगेटर मसल पे फर्म सर्कुलर प्रेस दीजिए अबाउट 3 to 6 times. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. अब let's assume मेरी right eye droopy है. पहले तो it's not that much of an issue because ठीक है हमारी कभी कभी न्यूट्रिशन की वजह से या बैड स्क्रीन टाइम हैबिट्स की वजह से एक आंख थोड़ी छोटी लगती है, दूसरी आंख ठीक लगती है. But as we grow older, these muscles become so weak that while we are 60, 70 or 80, this muscle actually starts to droop and then impairs your vision, which is something we definitely do not want and want to keep at bay. For that, make a hook of your index finger, place it. Now the right technique would be only mild placement. Do not lift your eyebrow or create lines anywhere on your face because वो गलत face yoga technique मानी जाएगी. आप इसको लेंगे, अपनी उंगली को हुक बनाएंगे और प्लेस करेंगे. अब जो आपकी आंख वीक है उस आंख को 3 से 6 बार ब्लिंक करेंगे कुछ इस तरह. And relax. Repeat this 3 to 6 times as per your comfort. Now, when someone comes with facial asymmetry or facial paralysis, that means उनका ये side of the face ढलक रहा है, weak है या droopy हो गया है. बहुत बार facial paralysis में आप देखेंगे उनके saliva drooping भी होती है या drooling भी होती है where the saliva starts to come out. For this correction, I will be using my cheek whipping exercise. In cheek whipping, you will use oil and 2 fingers to lift this muscle externally, stimulating this facial muscle like this. You will do this along zone 1 and zone 2 to the count of 20. My next exercise is to correct the jaw. But before we correct the jaw, we need to release that muscle tension or stiffness. For this, you will again use your fingers. Bend your index finger, take your thumb, place 2 fingers on your chin and start to give your jawline a firm circular massage like this. When you reach your masseter chewing muscle, you will stop here. Do 3 to 6 clockwise and anti-clockwise circles. ध्यान रहे ये थोड़ी सी painful massage है. Go all the way till your jaw ending where your ear is and then perform a downward drain and wriggle. My last exercise for facial correction is called the slapping piano. ज़्यादा जोर से थप्पड़ मत मारना, but अपने external and internal stimuli को stimulate करने के लिए, nerve endings को stimulate करने के लिए ये exercise बहुत काम आती है. Also, if you feel that one of your smile lines or nasolabial folds is deeper than the other side, this is an exercise that will help. Let's assume I'm still a asymmetrical face client or I'm still a person who has droopiness on one side. Now I will take 2 fingers to support and place them onto my lips like this and take my other hand to slap inward from my nasolabial all the way outward till my ear 6 to 8 times like this. Once you've done this, you will relax. I will end these exercises with a cool down stretch, but the cool down stretch or pose that I use is a face yoga pose called the snake, which will still work on my facial asymmetry. For this, I will take opposite hand, lift that droopy eyebrow, lift that droopy eyelid, take the other hand, place it onto my shoulder, bend, look down, give my eye muscles an exercise, the orbicularis oculi stretch. Inhale to prepare, exhale with your tongue out like this. Create strong vibrations, come back, relax. Inhale to prepare, look down and repeat. Come back and relax. Try these exercises 3 times a week. Tell me in comments how stronger you feel and how you self-correct your facial asymmetry. Signing off, Vibhuti Arora.